Hello everyone, here is another Edison style LED light bulb that I would like to show you as part of my light bulb collection. This right here is a 4-watt IKEA Edison style LED bulb in a T10 package. T10 means that the bulb is a 1¼ inch diameter tubular bulb. It's 4 watts, as you can see by the 4 LED filament rods that are arranged in a straight linear pattern. And then here is the base that features the brass threaded screw base, as well as the gold colored transformer base that also features the microchip drive unit and a small heat sink. It produces 400 lumens of light with a color temperature of 2250 Kelvin. The typical warm white Edison color tone with a slight yellowish hue. So with that being said, here comes the 4-watt T10 IKEA LED tubular Edison bulb in action. It's also a really long bulb as well. And here it goes. Wow, this one is very nice and bright. Unlike the Fiat LED bulbs, you can barely see the LED chips within the filament rods. They almost look kind of like little sodium vapor tubes because of their whitish yellow light. So here it is in a horizontal position. And here it is in a vertical position. Just the brightness. And now off. So with that being said, that concludes this video of the 4-watt T10 IKEA LED Edison bulb, and thank you very much.